So how to deposit cash into Revolut? So to deposit cash into Revolut, if you open up the Revolut app and then click Add Money, you'll be brought through to this page here. And if you click the options, you'll be able to select Deposit Cash right here. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to find your local deposit location. So if you select Find Location, allow location services, then it will show you a map of your local area and where you can locally deposit cash into Revolut. So for example here, we've got one that's 0.4 miles away. So if we go ahead and click it, select how much you want to deposit in. So for example, we'll say deposit £15, which also note comes with the 22p fee. So do keep a note of any fees that might be included. But once you've selected the amount, click continue, and then it will give you a barcode right here that you can take to that local deposit station, and they'll be able to deposit that cash into Revolut using your barcode. But just a heads up, usually barcodes are timed, usually at about 10 minutes, so only generate the barcode when you're ready to deposit the cash into Revolut. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.